Hello, everyone. It's week 4. What is developmentally appropriate practice, or DAMP? Your first homework assignment is the PowerPoint, which introduces you to developmentally appropriate practice, which is our text by Carol Koppel and Sue Brandenkamp. Homework 4.2 is the reading guide, which goes along with your text, and it is worth 150 points. And the point values are beside each question. Your forum discussion this week, your initial post is Wednesday, your response post is by Friday. Explain how you could implement DAP into your future classroom. The materials that you need can be found in the support documents folder, which is the reading guide, which I have already shown you. So if you have questions, please ask me. All of this is leading up to your infant plan, which is due week 5, that you will be posting not only on Moodle, but also on Chalk and Wire. Thank you.